Hi everyone. So, okay, 1 second. Let me stop at one. So, hi everyone. Uh, this is my first blog, and I'll keep it very unfiltered and very what do we call it? Very simple and very true to self. So, my name is Mahima. Currently, I stay in Bangalore. Okay. Yeah, hi. So currently, I was talking about myself, right? So currently, I stay in Bangalore, and so why I am making this blog is very important to understand. See, I am in my late 30s, so I'm a millennial. Nowadays, everybody is doing it. That's not a point why I'm doing it. I have gone through a lot in my life. Everybody goes through, obviously. But the thing is that everybody understand what they want to do, but I am at a stage where I don't know what I know what I want to do, but I don't know how to do. Okay, so coming back to the point why I am starting this blog is that, so I work for a very good organization, and I have reached out my that level, what we call it, burnout level. So I was planning to resign since a long time, but this time the situation has come like this that I have already resigned, and it's been already a week and a day. So my notice serving period is 90 days, so I should say I am over with some 8 days. So I'm trying to record the improvement, because improvement in myself, because what happens is that when I was working, I was like, okay, I'll do this, I'll do that. I love to work with a discipline. Like I love my life to go along with a discipline, which is not always necessary that happens. Sorry for bumpy rides. This is India, and you know rides are like this only. So what happened is that I want to pursue some of my dreams. Yeah, it's not a dream, it's dreams. Okay, so we'll talk about that later. So those are the things which I was talking about. I want to do some things, but I don't know how to do things. So that is the part. So I am starting this blogging just to understand and know how much I can improve without any motivation, only with consistency. I don't know, just that I just want to record like all other people do their day to day life. They start blogging, they start posting on Instagram. But the whole sole purpose for this blog to start is that I want to see an improvement in myself. So I will only be talking. I will not be showing my day to day activities like that, at least till the time I am getting consistent on those things. Then let's see what happens, and hope you guys will like this vlog of mine, and people who are struggling like me, because I'm struggling in many different ways, in many different aspects of life. So people who are suffering like me, they might like my blog, and they might follow me back to see what we can do if we decide to do. That's how humans are. What I have understood in my all these years of life and with my experience. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please mention it in comments. I will try that I record my day-to-day life through a verbal communication, what I did, what I want to do, what are my dreams, everything. And hopefully, I'll reach those dreams very soon with all your help. I know I'm very late to start blogging because half of the more than half of the world has already started their vlogging life who wanted to start, but someday you have to start something. Thank you so much. Bye bye.